get into the unboxing. When it arrives to you, it'll be in this nice box, and we'll just put this to the side. And it's a mirror. Here is the compact mirror, and here is the substrate that you'll be decorating on. This is a nice mirror. If you look at it in the hand, it's like a nice palm size compact mirror. If you open it up, the mirror is double-sided. Lovely, lovely. And we'll put this to the side. We won't need it yet. We won't need it until after we're done sublimating and when we need to go to apply. So here is the substrate. It's just a nice simple circle, and you can't really tell, but it does have a plastic coating on it that we're going to need to remove before we actually sublimate. If you leave this coating on, your picture is going to come out dull. You'll be able to sublimate on it, but then you'll see, oh goodness, I messed it up. It's not as shiny, it's not as bright, it's not as vibrant. So just remember that there is a plastic coating that you'll need to take off. And this is what we use to take it off. So let's just get to, and I just go right on the edge of the corner. Just take a little off because you don't want to ruin the substrate. So as you see, I got a little off, and now you can just peel the remainder. So yep, you want to make sure that you start with a nice, just solid surface. And now, to know what size you need to make your design, it's always great to measure to know. So looking at it, it is about, I will say, 2 3/4 inch in diameter. So it's about 2.75 inches. And it's round, so it's, if you're in your design software, make it 2 by 7 by 2 by 7, 2.75 by 2.75. And that's what I did here. So we have our substrate. And usually if you want to make sure it's a nice smooth round surface, you can go ahead and wipe it off with alcohol. I won't do that here. It's a pretty nice, pretty clean, smooth surface. And I have my image. I found this image in one of my craft groups. Thank you so much. I'm a part of a lot of them, so I honestly don't know where I got this one from. And again, this is just for personal use, just to show how to use the blank that I do sell on my site. I like to start here, and then if you have tape, I use tape, and I need to cut it with my scissors. One day I will make it to getting a dispenser. I like to keep my paper down first so that I'm able to center it easier when I'm trying to apply the image. So face down, you want to have the white image face down. That'll be good. And use your tape to apply. And another piece here. And now we're ready to take it over to our heat press and sublimate our substrate here. And we want to, I just put some butcher paper down, putting it on the top. And we are set at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. We're gonna clamp down and let it go. Always make sure you have your gloves on. It may get hot. It's time for the big reveal. It came out so lovely. Y'all see that? Yes. Yes. One thing that helps me is Gorilla Super Glue. That helps just adhere it a little better. For application, you have the compact and there's this white substance. We want to take that off. We'll need to use our picker, same that we did to take off the clear plastic, and we just want to start at the corner. And you see that starts to lift up. And you take that off. You see this, it's tacky. So you can just simply go ahead and apply your substrate directly onto the compact mirror, but I just like to do a little more security. So I use super glue. You can also use E6000 or any other kind of glue that you have, but my preference is super glue. And I just do a couple of dots, maybe about 1, 2, 3 dots. So we're going to dot, dot, and dot. That's it, like I said, just 3 dots. And we just want to line it up. Yep, that is lovely. And you just want to press it in place. Press, 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 press. And now it's just a nice, lovely compact mirror, guys. And there we go, our nice compact.